COD Player 108 here. We got '06 Honda TRX 250EX, and we're just doing a sound test because we just got done tuning in the pipe. We pulled my Big Blue in, and we're going to go ahead and sound test it. Whoa.
Sounds pretty good since the pipe's all tuned up.
Yep.
Baby's got extended A-arms, Nerf bars on it.
The 92's here. Them extended A-arms on that one, they match the stock A-arms on this one.
Yeah, right.
They do.
They're about an inch bigger.
No, they're not.
Half an inch bigger on each side.
Yeah. Alright, well, one more test here. And we're going to fire mine up. Mine has a stock pipe. I just want to fire it up real fast. Fire over.
Kickstart. One kick, two kicks. I don't do that, man. You're hitting
Didn't
the
mean
back.
to do. Jeez, all it's doing is hitting your tires. Yep.
Alright, guys, that's it. See ya.